Hi, I'm replacing the brake booster. This is what Mike told me to do. I'm not a fan of Mike right now. So these bolts are really hard to get to, but this is the brake booster, and the old one's laying over there somewhere, and it was really not fun. But it's almost there. I'm trying to get this bolt on this very hard to reach thread, and my shoulder hurts, and I'm not multitasking very well.
How's that carburetor feel?
The one I'm leaning on that I'm not supposed to. We did put a paper towel over it to keep stuff from getting in it. Dang. Alright, I'm going to try to... Hey, it's Mary again. So, just got through replacing the master cylinder and the brake booster. I didn't do it all. My husband did some of it this time. You saw me at work a little while. But anyway, my granddad's truck. So I have the new master cylinder and the booster. What did you call it? Bench bled the master cylinder. My husband did most of that while I watched because I need to learn. And then we bled the brakes. All four of them. That was a two-person job, so I was the brake pusher and he was the one that threw out instructions. So I'm excited because we're going to put the tires back on it, the wheels and tires back on it. We're going to take it for a spin, see how it works. Yay!